Hello. You are watching Monmouth English Research Center. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. Question 4. Complete this scenario using modals in the answers. Scenario 1. Teacher, you are planning to go on a trip. What will you do? Student, I will pack my bags. I might visit a hill station. Answer, Scenario 1. Teacher, you are planning to go on a trip. What will you do? Student, I will pack my bags. I might visit a hill station. I should check the weather forecast. I must carry enough money and my ID card. I can book my tickets online. I would prefer traveling during the day. I may take a camera to capture the moments. I shall make a travel itinerary to manage my time. I could invite my friends to join me. I must not forget to carry a first aid kit. These answers use modals to express future plans, possibilities, necessities, and preferences effectively. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Monmouth English Research Center. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.